as per our request. Hence, we forego our right to really take the
Okay.
power. We don't. If you are जो है ना making a shaking hand with us, then we are for giving our power. We are for forfeiting. क्या करना चाहिए? हम अपना जो है ना त्याग कर देंगे, right?
हाँ.
Otherwise, Chandgupta are there. We are having 100 crore people. We can take away the power also, right? But what we are
That is a
saying
different
is,
issue.
since you have already done that, we might request you, okay, please give the ticket from BJP to my Chandraguptas, and
Hmm.
you will get all 543 seats,
Hmm.
right?
Right, sir.
Now, how we will be 100, I will take a minute to explain to you, right?
Hmm.
Number one, in the whole process, first of all, I would like to inquire from you whether I have asked you to any money, whether I have asked any money from you.
No.
No, right? Whether I have asked you to take out any procession in my support,
No.
whether I have asked you to burn any effigy to humiliate others.
No way.
No. Whether I have asked you to do the road block or rail blocks.
No.
No. Whether I have asked you to kindly make out a petition or accompany me with a petition, we will be giving it to the SP, collector, or chief minister, or prime minister,
No, no,
or
no, 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 no.
no.
No,
Whether I,
absolutely no. Absolutely no.
whether I have asked you to come to the Jantar Mantar or Ramlila Maidan.
No.
No. It means I have not taken money. You are not put to any harm, and now I will tell how we will become 100. So basically, when one dimension I must stress before we are going on that counting,
Mm-hmm.
if we could not reverse the present day situation, there are five very important reasons which
Mm-hmm.
will जो है ना by 2029.
Uh-huh.
My prediction is this, that 66% population of the country will be suffering either from the cancer or from autoimmune diseases. This is my prediction, or you can say Bhavishwani also.
Yeah. Maybe because of the poor production of the.
I will give the reasons also. Number one,
Yes,
first
yes,
reason is this: your food chain has become the poisonous on
yes,
account
yes,
of the chemical fertilizer and pesticide. That's the first
yes,
reason.
yes. Because of the, I was understanding your point. I am feeling the same in ongoing days. The poor production of the food, okay, especially they they'll be using lot of inorganic this thing, and especially
I mean,
nowadays.
let's not
Now,
say organic or inorganic. Let's say directly chemical, rasayanik which you are using.
हाँ
You are using
रासायनिक
the
जो भी
chemical
है हाँ
fertilizer
रासायनिक
and
रासायनिक
chemical जो है ना pesticide, which
ये
is
केमिकल से ज्यादा सर जी और एक आपको एक सूचना देना चाह रहा हूँ
जी
केमिकल से ज्यादा अभी जो चाइना ने जो डेवलप किया है म्यूटेशन ऑफ द प्लांट ओनली ओके म्यूटेशन इज वेरी डेंजरस
basically, okay,
दैन
just a minute. Let me
हाँ
elaborate on mutation for a while.
हाँ
Basically,
सर
mutation is a natural process also. your
यस
your gene confront, and that's how there's a evolution of the different varieties.
हाँ
They automatically get evolved through that mutation. Now
हाँ
now we are doing a nesty mutation. Nesty mutation क्या होता है? Say
हाँ
seed is having the basic and innate quality to reproduce. When you
ओके
genetically modified and you make a genetically terminated seed, then you are
यस
Rakshas. So we are,
यस
in the name of the scientist, we are bloody Rakshas. And we are these kind of the muted. Now this is the really a unnatural mutation where you are cutting the DNA, which is responsible for the reproduction.
यस यस
So
मैं
is it a scientific revolution whether the person should get the patent or he should be sent to jail?
ऐसा
नहीं
एक बात है
नहीं, answer my question. I am saying such person, should he get the Nobel Prize for his nasty work or he should be put behind the bar?
He has to be put behind bars, Sarji.
Very,
Whoever are
very.
getting
You
into
said
the
you,
DNA,
uh, okay. Now
uh,
quickly let me go to that prove my point. Basically, second point is hormonal injection which we are putting indiscriminately to the cows, to the buffaloes, to the goat, to hens, and to the fruits and vegetable. It is carcinogenic in nature. Second reason
yes.
of the cancer. Now the third
Hmm.
reason, Mr. Sridhar, we are producing only 16 crore liter milk, whereas
Hmm.
every day we are consuming 65 crore liter milk. It means
Yes.
30 crore liter milk every
We
day,
are in bad shape.
in tankers being
Yes.
produced through the chemicals of the harmful origin like urea. My
Yes. Yes.
friend, it is carcinogenic.
मैंने बहुत सारे केसेस देखे हैं यूपी बिहार उस तरफ एक्चुअली एज यू सेड रिगार्डिंग
Give me 1 minute more, then I will ask more crude question from you, and probably that will be helping me to awaken you. Though you are already awakened soul, so I need not really awake you, but still I will not miss that last attempt on you, right? So now the fifth reason is the medicine you are consuming. They are the chemical molecules of harmful, and many of them they are carcinogenic.
yes.
So they are harming you in many ways. They are basically incapacitating your body response, your own immune system.
Yes,
And
हाँ रेजिस्टेंसी पावर वो कम कर रहा है ना सर जी वॉट एवर द इम्यून सिस्टम व्हाट वी हैव डेवलप्ड
correct.
that is only
So it will
killing
be
us.
sometime it may go to the extent of developing autoimmune diseases.
Absolutely right.
So now looking at these five reasons, and let me tell you, since
हाँ.
milk alone,
Hmm.
I have gone through one research work which says if
Mm-hmm.
this milk or milk product of the doubtful origin, if it is consumed for the 4 year continuously, 87% consumer they will suffer from the cancer. This is a finding of a research work.
Hmm.
Now putting the dot together, are
Hmm.
you ready to believe that 66% population of the India would be suffering from cancer or autoimmune diseases?
Sir, I'll tell you one thing. I was having tea in the afternoon. There was a lady who was sitting beside me.
Mm-hmm.
She had a cancer. Okay. He and he's her small, I can tell you, daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just because of this milk only. I'm not lying. It is today's afternoon issue. What I'm updating you today's afternoon.
Oh, great. So basically, lot many
I
cancer.
have a test. I took her number. I
Uh-huh.
took her number.
Uh-huh.
I just I don't know why I took also. I was little inquisitive to know more about the things because of the milk. What her daughter was having, she got cancer.
Oh, how sad. How sad. So now I think
This is a report from
uh,
the doctor itself.
oh, great. Now let me say, now you are
Mhm.
in agreement with me that if we could not reverse the ground situation, then
Mhm.
66% population of the country will be suffering from cancer or autoimmune disease. Whether the
That,
country is having the capability to withstand this kind of the large volume of the cancer, we will become the cancer country. Do we want to make do we want our family member to suffer from the cancer? Do we want this?
no way. No way. No way.
So then, why not to follow Maitri Saran Gupta, who is not taking a penny, who is not asking you to do anything negative? What is the harm? Whether I am taking away, whether I am taking away anything from you?
No. See, the questions what you asked about a few minutes back, you are a person who is telling, I am ready to give everything to you. am I asking you this? Am I asking you that? Or whatever things are there. No. I totally agree with you. Whatever discussion.
Now I will explain you how easy it is, right? So
Huh.
if I start this work today, Maithili Chandgupta has spoken to Silpa and Shridhar and 7 more people, all put together 9 people, right?
Okay, sir.
I could convince them thoroughly.
Hmm.
I could brief them about the ensuing risk factors of the cancer and autoimmune disease.